yourself. Get by yourself and go to Cupid shuffle. Say it to the Cupid shuffle.
It's her bachelorette party. Now, you don't know this, but your mother has planned a big surprise for you. How many of you guys, how many of the kids would want to see Michaela get slime for her bachelorette party? How many of the kids would want to dump the slime? Raise your hand if you want to dump slime, gooey slime.
I want to get real slime.
I think it's a great job. Everybody done great.
Kids should be invited to every bachelorette party.
I can't. Get the bucket from my girl. Would you do it again?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, all right.